if your customer have a damaged skin, like all these people that have used a lot of product that damage their skin, all these people that have dark spots all over their body, guys, the best product you should give them is a treatment oil, not a whitening oil. Okay, good day to you guys. Today's video, guys, we're going to be making a oil. Okay, so this oil is for most of you that have been complaining. You have a tough skin, you have a dry skin, you want to achieve this glowing and moisturized skin. So this oil, guys, as a skincare formulator, you can make this oil and sell them. Okay, it's very active and very perfect. And if you have a sensitive skin, this oil will lighten up your skin. Okay, so if you are to sell this oil, you just have to check people you are giving it to, the complexion you are giving it to. Okay, if you are giving it to a dark person, just know that the soap you're going to give the person is going to be so mild that it's not going to lighten up the person. Then if you're giving it for someone that have a stubborn skin, you just know that you have to give the person a soap that is very active. I'm just giving you guys expo, so you just know you have to give them the soap that is very active, so they can combine it together with the oil. If you're giving to a sensitive skin, you give them a good soap as well. Then with this oil, they are good to go. They don't need lotion. Okay, so but before that, if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification. Do it now. Just subscribe before we continue. Okay, oh yeah, subscribe. Thank you. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification, so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop video. And we upload video on this channel every day, Monday to Sunday. So you really need to subscribe to this channel. As a skincare formulator, maybe you just start and you need a channel that will guide you, guys, this is just the perfect channel for you. Okay, and guys, for most of you that want to train with us but don't have the money, this is a golden opportunity to you. Okay, so we have a class coming up next month, and this class contains how you can make your base cream, organic crop base cream from scratch, how you can make your face cream from scratch, how you can make 3-in-1 black soap, our lady white lotion, and lots of them. So all these nice recipe that we have been posting lately. So on that class, we're going to teach you how to make them by yourself. Okay, and guys, you guys know that our base cream training from scratch is 100,000, but guess what, this class that is coming up now is just 50,000 naira, and it's for only 10 people. Okay, so it's just a golden opportunity, and if I were you, I would just grab it now. Okay, because you're going to learn a lot. Even if you don't have experience concerning skincare, guys, that class, you're good to go. I'm telling you the fact, you're good to go, because we have everything: lotion, oil, scrub, face serum, everything is there. Okay, so don't miss out. Okay, but I just want to take it before you guys. This is my supplement. This is it. I talked about this supplement lately. Okay, so guys, this oil is very active. Like I said, this will help to lightening, glow, and treat skin like sun damage, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, white patches. So if you use a particular product that damages your skin, guys, you can go ahead and try this oil. You can make this oil by yourself, because the recipe is just simple. You guys know I love it simple and active. So the recipe is very simple, that you can go ahead and make it by yourself. So let me take my supplement. So you go ahead and make it by yourself, the one you can use or the one to sell. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so let's dive there. See you there, guys. We're gonna use this our carrot glow oil. Guys, you guys know how much I love carrot glow oil. Okay, though it's expensive, but it's really working. Okay, even this carrot glow oil alone can help to maintain your skin, glow your skin, okay, and give you this moisturized and nourishing skin. Okay, so we are going to use 1 liter of this, and here we have our honey oil. Okay, this is our honey oil, guys. This oil alone is very active, that helps to moisturize, treat sun damage, and lightening up the skin. Guys, this oil is very good, and it also helps to softening the skin, like they said here, multi-purpose. Then the next one we have here is this jasmine oil. Guys, the next one we have here is this lemon oil. Guys, you guys know that lemon oil is very nice when it comes to lightening up the skin, lightening up edge spots, wrinkles on the skin. So lemon has a lot of properties in your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna use the whole 1 liter. Guys, if you want to make this production, it's compulsory you use this oil, this Esme Glow oil. Okay, it's compulsory you use it. So the next one, I'm gonna add my the honey. Guys, this oil is very nice, most especially when it comes to moisturizing the skin. This oil is very nice. Okay, so if you have a client that have a damaged skin, this is the lemon, that have a damaged skin, evil skin tone, sun damaged, sunburn, guys, you can give them this product and it will work perfectly on them. Okay, to work perfectly on them. So this is the jasmine oil. Okay, so I'm gonna add it as well. Okay, so after you add this for oil, guys, you guys know I love my recipe being very simple. So after you add this oil, you go ahead and mix this together and package for sale. Okay, this will help to moisturize and glow your customer skin. Just like I said, carrots or extremely glow oil alone helps a lot to glow and lightening up the skin, and this jasmine oil, lemon oil, and this honey oil helps a lot to moisturize and glow the skin as well. Okay, so after you added all this, you go ahead and mix this and package this for sale. Look at the color is wow. So this is very nice, and this will help to lightening a sensitive skin. Guys, this oil is perfect, believe me when I say so. Okay, believe me when I say so. You can go ahead and try this, and I promise you you're going to get a very nice review. Oh, sorry, you're going to get a very nice review. Okay, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a video. Love you guys. Bye.